Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Today is Mardi Gras. So, happy Mardi Gras. Now, this episode was originally planned for today to come out, but some other things have transpired. Namely, the fact that slipped and fell back in November, well, separated my shoulder a little bit. Then, on Saturday, when this episode was supposed to originally be filmed, slipped and fell again, and well, got a grade 2 separation, further separating that shoulder. Surgery will be postponed till a much later date. I can still fully move my shoulder. I'm one of those special cases that can do that, thanks to my shoulder joint already being damaged 20 years ago. So, that being the case, we will just be a little slower moving around. But anyway, today we are doing up grilled shrimp po' boys. Some of y'all are being like, hey, why ain't you doing fried? Trust me, I got fried stuff coming later over the next 40 days. Just bear with me. Got you fried food fans. Trust me, you will be happy. But today we're doing up grilled shrimp po' boys. We're also going to be using up some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. It is full of Cajun spices. So, stick around, we're going to get right to it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and begin. I got the pan set to about a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead and pour in a little olive oil in that pan. Not much. Just a couple tablespoons. We will throw in some Uncle Steve's Shake into our shrimp real quick. This is Gulf shrimp. I've got some 150. I can use the spoon, but you know, thought I might as well just do that real quick. There we go. Turn that pot around to make sure that it's for a left-handed person. And we start the cooking. And just like that, these shrimp are done. Within about 5-7 minutes, these shrimp are done. So we're going to turn off this heat. Pull them off. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this sandwich all nice and dressed up so we can go ahead and get it on the smoker. Now, the smoker portion is just to get the cheese all nice and melted. That's all it is for. If you want to use your oven, that's fine and dandy. It's just to put it on there for a couple minutes to get that cheese all nice and melted. So, go ahead, open up that bread. We're going to throw down a little bit of lettuce. Throw down a couple pickles. Yep. Like I say, my arms don't work as well as it used to. Throw down the shrimp. Now, we're going to go ahead and use up some jalapeno jack and mild cheddar cheese. There we go. We're going to go ahead and put it on the smoker now for at least about 3 minutes, maybe 4, not long enough to really do much but just melt the cheese. So, let's move it over to the smoker now. I have the smoker set up to 300 degrees. There we go. Like I said, just for a couple minutes. And it's done. Just like that. Just a couple minutes, long enough to melt that cheese. And we're done. Literally takes no time at all. 5 to 7 minutes is the longest you're going to do on a part of this recipe. Cooking those shrimp or scrimps if you're from South Park and you want to make fun of us from down here. But hey, we're all good. It is what it is, folks. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this po' boy. Oh yeah, before I forget, the bread, it's from Leidenheimer. If you're not familiar with them company, they're New Orleans own. Been making it for over 100 years. Fantastic po' boy bread. When you come down here for a visit, make sure that they're making it on Leidenheimer bread. Not sponsored by them at all, but that's the best bread to get it on. Let's go ahead and dig into this po' boy. Oh yeah, so good, folks. That cheese is on point, that shrimp is on point, that goose will be in a po' boy one day. We will have a goose po' boy. Trust me, folks, that will be a thing on my channel one day. We will have a big boy goose po' boy. The rest of the geese, they'll be fine. Just a big boy. He will be a po' boy one day. Trust me. I hate that goose. Can't make fun of the really rest of them. But him, we can make fun of. Yep. But anyway. This po' boy, trust me, you'll love it. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you, and have a good day.